be that much pressure.
No, no.
Oh no!
Oh, bad head gasket is green. Because that's the gases entering the cooling system.
Yeah.
And boom.
Fluids turn
There you
green
go.
slash
Green,
yellow.
Yeah.
when
There you go, yeah,
present.
exactly.
So if this goes green,
Dunzo. Who's responsible? This guy, no.
you were the one who drove. Oh, I was the one last drove it. Hey, I drove it. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another WRX content here at PLM. So for today, we're going to do a couple things for the WRX. Nate, actually our head tech, is changing the oil for the WRX. And from the previous video, you guys know that we actually had a couple problems with the WRX. Could be early stages of head gasket failure. We did a head gasket leak test. The fluid literally turned into like green right away. So and we even left that on for a bit, and it even got worse.
There's hella. Like, it's not supposed to be that much pressure.
No, it's not supposed to be like that.
I think we blew a head gasket. What a stereotype of Subarus.
Hey, but yeah, that is true.
So, apparently it smelled like that on a track. I don't recall lightly, but we have a tester kit.
Yep.
And before we condemn and say it was exactly a head gasket, we're gonna test it to see if it really is or not.
Yep.
So we'll see. I also need to Google how to use this because I never used it. So we'll be right back.
I think the moment you start it up, you...
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
we don't want to start it up, so.
what we'll do is
Oh,
this.
for now.
Yeah. So we're gonna fill it. Oh yeah, pretty much.
So right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is gonna be fun. I've never done this before. Thank you, Evan.
That head gasket will turn green. I think it says in the instructions somewhere. Oh, bad head gasket is green. Because that's the gases entering the cooling system.
Yeah.
And boom.
Fluids turn
There you
green
go.
slash
Green, yellow.
yellow.
Yeah.
when
There you go, yeah,
present.
exactly.
So if this goes green,
Dunzo. Who's responsible? This guy, no.
you were the one who drove. Oh, I was the one last drove it. Hey, I drove it. Cruise.
Okay. Let's start it up.
All right.
Alright.
It's a moment of truth, guys. We're gonna see.
You don't want to get melted.
We're gonna see if this one actually turns green or not. If it goes green, Justin, you might be right.
Start it.
So it turned yellow, guys. So yellow, greenish.
It's done.
It was down here, and then Evan just squeezed it, and it popped all the way back up. So like,
Oh, there it is. There it is. So you guys can tell it's already, the green is literally going up.
yeah. What's that thing say again? It says yellow slash green is when exhaust gases are present in the cooling system. Yes. So we did the thing for you guys, so you guys know. And I don't want to hear Subaru owners giving us crap
Because it is
for
right.
making jokes about Subarus.
Because
okay?
this is really crap.
This is really crap, okay?
We are going to send out our oil to this place called Blackstone. They're gonna do some tests and see if our oil or if our motor is still healthy. We never changed the oil ever since we got the car, brand new last year, right? So I think the car has like 6,000 miles right now. Early stages of head gasket failure is pretty tough. You know, obviously this is a brand new car. It's a 2024 car, and head gasket is already failing. So definitely we're gonna tap on that. So, but today we're gonna do the oil change first and send it out. We just really hope the motor is healthy, and also at the same time we can still continue building this car to 500 horsepower. All right, but also just want to give you guys a quick update. If you guys haven't checked these out, check this out. So you guys can see we have two big mufflers here. You guys remember we had straight pipes, and it sounded pretty loud. Now we have these mufflers now. So these are called PLM WRX VB STI mufflers. So these are just not bypass mufflers. They actually sound way better to me personally. They sound way better than the ones that we just had. If you guys are looking for any of these kind of setups, obviously if you have like a non-resonated mid pipe and you have a catalyst down pipe or J pipe, then you want something pretty decent or subtle in the catback, right? You know, it's up to you guys. I'm getting old, so I would rather have something like this maybe. But obviously WRX guys, they want to hear that rumble, they want to hear that sound of the EJs for the FAs. So we would highly recommend getting this, or if you want something loud, you can always get the PLM WRX VP axle bag or muffler leads. We're gonna leave the links underneath the description if you guys want any of these ports. And if you guys also want to be fast, make sure to check out our PLM Turbo.